Peace is the result of an inner state of harmony. It is not obtained by eliminating anything external. It is inside ourselves that we must find and suppress the causes of war. Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder. We are as the flute, and the music in us is from you. We are as the mountain, and the echo in us is from you. Here, you means our Creator. People want you to be happy, so don't keep serving them your pain. If you could untie your wings and free your soul of jealousy, you and everyone around you would fly up like doves. I'll set you on my breath so you will become my life. Who is saying this? The creation is saying to his creator. In fact, love is the whole thing, and we are only pieces of it. We are just the fragments of that whole thing called love. Kindness in words creates confidence. Kindness in thinking creates profoundness. And kindness in giving creates love. It is certain that an atom of goodness on the path of faith is never lost. So, let's do some good and more good. You know what love is? It's all kindness and generosity. Yes, you heard me right. Love is all kindness and generosity. Rumi Rahmatullah Alai says, let our kindness be like the rain that cares not about whom it falls upon.